Good morning, everybody. This morning I'm going to finish something that I started a couple of months back. This is going to be our cleaning cart. So we're going to get some Kaizen foam happening here. We're going to fit gloves in, spray bottles, some other stuff. I'll check back in a second when I made some more progress. So here's what we've done. Cut out Kaizen foam for our Clorox disinfectant wipes. Very useful. 2 sizes of gloves, Goo Gone, Windex, and the Simple Green spray canisters. These are rags and sponges that are all clean. Extension cord that we use for the shop vac, and a small dustpan broom. We want to create as little waste as possible with the cleaning stuff, so we use the industrial size of the Simple Green to fill these guys up, and then the industrial size Windex, same purpose. Eric brought us this Ryobi blower, which we use to clean out under the skid racks and things that are up high that we can't reach with our hands. Keep some shrink wrap down here, and then Aaron found this at Home Depot on sale. It uses the same lithium battery that all of our other tools do, and that will come in very handy for sure. So obviously this is a cart, it moves around, so it goes wherever we need it to, and that saves a lot of time walking back and forth to grab spray bottles and cleaning stuff from one central location. We just take this with us wherever we go, and it fits over there next to the tool chest and the tackle stuff for unloading trucks. So you go, lean cleaning cart.